I'm Jim Keane, Senior Vice President of Engineering for ESO Solutions.
I'm J.R. Carter, CEO of Intersys.
ESO is a SaaS software and data company primarily focused on the pre-hospital healthcare space. Our customers are EMS agencies, fire departments across the United States, as well as hospitals.
ESO has a really interesting, really visually captivating analytics capability. We played a role in helping stage all the data for that product. And in that case, that was us collaborating mostly with internal talent at ESO.
Intersys provides us with that injection of immediate knowledge capital to help make my team smarter in some of the strategic initiatives that we're running after in 2016. We're running after big data in a big way, no pun intended. And frankly, we're not that smart in big data, and that's where J.R.'s folks are really helping us ramp up quickly on the technology and figuring out what we really need to do in order for our company to be successful.
We've done some projects for ESO in the past, but the current one is really to design the architecture and stand up the environment for what is going to be their biggest investment this year. It's all about big data and benchmarking healthcare results between communities.
Why would I refer Intersys? It's because of trust. I know that I can go to Intersys and get a straight answer and a pragmatic approach to solving the problem, rather than looking at an army of consultants that I shouldn't be paying for. I know that if I have a problem to solve, I can go and have a very plain conversation with anybody at Intersys and explain my problems, and very quickly these guys can craft a fairly simple solution in order to attack the problem that I can budget to and I can easily execute.
One of the things we realize is that in the sub $100 million in revenue kind of space, the market is much different. What's needed is a client needs to be able to count on you to say, actually, we would not be good to use for that, or this is not a good way to use us, or you shouldn't spend money on us here, but here's a place where we can add maximum value. When smaller companies hire consulting companies, the value has to be immediate, it has to be forthcoming, it has to be very open. And the part that can be hard is consultants also have to know when to get out.
It's a very natural interaction instead of a company-to-company dynamic. It's a person-to-person kind of conversation, right? You can relate to the other folks on the other side of the conversation, which is golden for me.